Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about shapes. What are the shapes and how we can insert and what are the use of these. So we will click on shape to insert a shape here. As soon as we will click on, we have to press left click from the mouse and drag. The shape will be created. Simply click on the shape, click on the page and left click on the page, and after holding left click, drag the mouse. The shape will be created like this. So like this we can create a shape, and by doing right click on the shape we can change its property like format of the shape. So here are the properties that we can change of the shape, like it is arrow on this side. If we want to change this side also like this, so it will be like this. If we want to change its color, we can do it, and same things we can change from here also like this. And if we want to change its weight like this, we want to change its line style, we can do like this. So as we discussed in text box all these properties in earlier video, in the same way these properties can be applied on shapes, like we can place shadow, we can change shadow color. All these things we have discussed in last video. Insert text box, so all these things I explain in details over there. You can look that video or can watch that tutorial, so you will be able to understand all these things and what is the use of them. Next we can draw a shape also. How we can draw a shape? For this I will take a new page, control N, and in insert is a tool. With the help of this tool, here is freeform, we can draw a shape. Simply I will click here and will release the left and right both button of the mouse. Now here I will press Ctrl and Shift from the keyboard to make a straight line, and now I will click left click once here. Now I will again press Ctrl Shift and click once here, left click, and I will go back here and will say, now I will not press Ctrl Shift now to attach this line over here, and press Ctrl and double click. I will press double left click to make this shape. So like this we can make a shape, but this shape is not symmetrical. So to give it proper symmetry, we will go to view and open grid lines. These are the grid lines. Now we can make a shape, and if we want to make increase size of these grid lines, we can do it from here. We will go to align, in page layout menu, align and grid setting. We can increase their size like this. But if it is bigger size, then we can do it smaller also, like half-inch cell. I want a cell of size half-inch like this. Now we will go to insert, and here I will click on it, and now we can drag and drop. I will click here first, I will click here, and now close this setting. So like this we can create a proper shape. Now if we want to make a label on this shape, that is also possible. For this we will go to insert, and from here we will take a text box, and here I will write label A. We can change its property also by doing right click. We will go to format text box, and in text box we will say keep all these options 0. These are the margins of text from corners, and place this text center and resize the shape to fit the text. Now we can reduce its size, and we can delete its outline as well as fill color both. and we'll place it like this. Again we will say Control D and drag it over here, and again Control D and click on these lines and place it here. It is A, it is B, and it is C. Now if you want to write degree also, for this first of all we have to create an angle. So we will take an arc from here and we'll make an angle like this. Like this. Now we can write its degree also, or its angle size, like 45 degree. To insert a degree symbol we will go to insert, and here symbol I will take this degree symbol and will place it here like this. Now we have to make a group of it. For this we will click on all these things one by one. I will click on this shape, will press Ctrl key from the keyboard, and I will bring my cursor over this shape. Or if it is not possible, I will click on it, or home. I will go to first and select object. I will click on it, control, click on it, control key is press, click on it, click on it, click on the arc and click on the shape. Now go to text box tools, group, and group all these shapes, so it will become a single shape now. If you want to do some editing or want to change, we can say ungroup and we'll do some editing that you want, and again we'll go to text box tools and say regroup. It will become group again. So now it become a proper shape along with label and degree and angles, all these things. So like this we can insert as well as we can create a shape in MS Word. I hope it will be clear to you, but still then if you want to ask something, you can ask me through comment, and if it seems to you helpful, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.